Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Kids watching TV too long and falling asleep with it turned on. So I will show you how we can fix this problem. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go down, select shut off timer. Select when inactive. So right now you can see it's set to never. That is a problem. So if we set this to never, it will not automatically turn off if it is inactive. Better set it to some number, for example 30 minutes or 1 hour. So after, if system is inactive for 30 minutes, after that it will automatically turn off. So that way we can fix this issue. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.